Are you constantly seeing that annoying Threads badge pop up, even after you've checked all your notifications? You're not alone. As of August 2025, this is a common issue affecting many users. This persistent badge issue is often caused by several technical problems. Cache corruption occurs when outdated or corrupted cache files interfere with proper badge management. Sync delays create lag between server and client-side updates. Profile data conflicts cause inconsistencies in user information, and background app refresh issues lead to incomplete data synchronization. To understand why badges persist, we need to examine how the Threads notification system works. The system operates on multiple levels. Server-side notifications send messages from Threads servers, local cache storage temporarily holds data on your device, app state management tracks read and unread status, and cross-platform synchronization ensures consistency across all your devices. Cache-related issues are the most common cause of persistent badges. This diagram shows how a typical caching system works. When the cache becomes corrupted or falls out of sync with the server, badges may continue to appear even after you've viewed all your content. The cache may hold outdated information about notification status, causing the app to display badges incorrectly. Understanding these root causes is crucial because it helps you target the right solution for your specific situation. Most persistent badge issues stem from cache and synchronization problems, so proper diagnosis leads to more effective fixes. In the next section, we'll walk through step-by-step solutions to address each of these issues. The first solution is a profile-based reset. This method addresses notification sync issues by refreshing your notification preferences within the Threads app. Start by navigating to your profile, then Settings, then Notifications. Toggle all notification types off and wait 30 seconds. This clears any cached notification states. Toggle all notification types off, wait 30 seconds, then toggle them back on selectively. This refreshes the notification system and clears any stuck badge states. If the profile reset doesn't work, try cache management. This method differs between iOS and Android devices, so we'll cover both approaches. For iOS users, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and find Threads. Select Offload App to clear the cache while preserving your data, then reinstall from the App Store. For Android users, navigate to Settings, then Apps, find Threads, and go to Storage. Start by clearing the cache only, not the data. This preserves your login while refreshing the notification system. As a last resort, try a complete app reset. This involves fully uninstalling Threads, restarting your device, then reinstalling the app fresh from your App Store. This method completely removes all app data and cache, giving you a fresh start. First, uninstall the Threads app completely from your device. After uninstalling, restart your device to clear any remaining system cache. Then reinstall Threads from your App Store and log back in. This fresh installation should resolve persistent badge issues. These three methods address the most common causes of persistent Threads badges. Start with the profile reset, then try cache management, and use the complete app reset only if needed. Most users find success with the first two methods.